topic what we are going to see is clipping. Okay, now what is clipping? Clipping is we try to eliminate those portions which are outside a specified region. Okay, it can be outside or inside depending on the application. In general, what clipping we mean is any object that is within a specified region should be removed. Okay, so the formal definition is clipping is the process of eliminating parts of object primitives that cannot appear on the display because it is outside the clip volume or view volume. Okay, we have seen that in the last class, ma'am has explained. Okay, if you go to the top of a mountain and you see your view is so large, but we are not able to show the entire thing on a screen. Okay, when how much is it that we can see on the screen? Okay, whatever we define inside the clipping window is what can be seen. Okay, so the, in 2D it is clipping window. In 3D when we take a volume. That is what we will see after this topic. Okay, it is a volume that we define. Okay, in 2D we define a rectangle, that is a clipping window. Okay, whereas in 3D we define a volume. Okay, basically it will be a pyramid or a frustum that we use. We will see that when we come there. Okay, so right now clipping is the process of eliminating parts of objects that cannot be seen on the display because it is outside the clip volume. Okay, now how do we clip a point? First we see a point clipping. Okay, just 1 second. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Say this is the clipping window that we have. Okay, defined by XW min, YW min, XW max, YW max. Then how do you say that a point X comma Y is inside the clipping window? Okay, we say that it is inside this window if what about our X coordinate? X coordinate should lie between XW min and XW max. Okay, so that is between XW min and XW max. That means our X coordinate should be greater than XW min or greater than or equal to XW min, and at the same time it should be less than or equal to XW max. Okay, so what is the inequality that we write? We can write it as we can write it as XW min is less than or equal to XW, is less than or equal to X. Okay, same way the other condition is X is less than or equal to XW max. Okay, now same way, what about the Y coordinates? Again, Y should lie between YW min and YW max. Only then the point XY will be inside the clipping window. So the inequalities that we have for a point to be inside the clipping window is XW min should be less than or equal to X, should be less than or equal to XW max. Okay. Same way, XW min should be less than or equal to Y, should be less than or equal to YW max. Okay. If these 4 conditions are satisfied, then we can say that the point X comma Y is inside the clipping window. Okay. Otherwise, the point becomes outside the clipping window. So, in order to clip a point, what the points coordinates X comma Y, okay, should satisfy these 4 inequalities. That is, XW min is less than or equal to X is less than or equal to XW max, and YW min is less than or equal to Y less than or equal to YW max. Okay. If the point XY satisfies these 4 inequalities, then the point will be drawn on the screen. Okay, that is, it is inside the clipping window and it will be drawn on the screen. If the point does not satisfy even one of these inequalities, that means the point is outside and we cannot draw the point on the screen. It cannot be shown on the screen.